Hi, Mary from Reviewer's Diary. Welcome back to my channel. I have a couple of unboxings for you and a giveaway, but first I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing. I did get the May box. I have to tell you guys, I did cancel my subscription. I actually canceled Ipsy and Birchbox and this and the Planner Society box because that just was not worth the $23 and change. Planner Society box, not Planner Society, Planner Addict box was a real disappointment, and their customer service is not great. So anyway, I did cancel Boxycharm, and then I went back and I resubscribed to Ipsy because I really like Ipsy and it's all small stuff you could finish in your lifetime. Boxycharm I canceled because well, it's $21 a month. That's not really prohibitive, but I'm getting a lot of stuff that I probably wouldn't even use, and my Alex is exploding. So you might say, well, why did you resubscribe to Ipsy? Mostly I'm getting like hand lotions and stuff like that from Ipsy now because I've changed my settings. You know, still getting makeup brushes because I just happen to absolutely love makeup brushes. So I'm probably never going to declutter those. But also some of the stuff is going into a giveaway for you guys. So there'll be a totally separate giveaway that I'll be posting soon. I know I keep promising you guys that. But anyway, this Boxycharm box is an excellent box. It has a ton of really great stuff in it. But I still canceled anyway. I took a look at next month and it looks really good, but I don't need any of that stuff. I just decided that I didn't need another eye palette. There's a couple other things. The only thing that I really would miss is getting those 3 Luxie brushes because I love Luxie brushes. I don't know why, but anyway, it's a 3-piece face set from Luxie. That's the only reason that I would have stayed in there, and I don't think it's worth it for me just for one set of 3 brushes to stay in. So anyway, let's get into the May box. This is my very last Boxycharm. I may never resubscribe to Boxycharm. I know I've gone back and forth quite a bit, but I probably will never go back. Okay, so it's Boxycharm Bash. I think it might be their anniversary, I'm not sure. But that's the theme. There's cake and all kinds of stuff there. And we did get a couple, one of the reasons that I stayed on this subscription is because of this. It's a Cover FX primer, and I have another Cover FX primer, the anti-aging one. And I really like it. In fact, I would probably dare to say that I would go, well, I'll never give up Spackle by Laura Geller. That's just one I'll never give up. But I would be comfortable saying that I would probably go to completely Cover FX. Next is a matte lip gloss. This is a Boxycharm collaboration with, who are you with? I'll have to look it up on the card and I'll read it to you. I don't like matte stuff, but my daughter tried hers on and it was very comfortable matte, so I don't know. You know, if I don't try it, let's see, who are you with? But I'll read this to you when I get to it. But my daughter really liked hers and forgot she even had it on. And most mattes, they feel very like stiff and uncomfortable. This I'm not going to open until I start to use it, and I'm very excited about it. I mostly like gel and liquid eyeliners now. I use pencils on the bottom, and like today I put a little pencil, a little Marc Jacobs that I have that was like a 100-point perk or something. And I put liquid, actually used the purple one today, Smashbox liquid eyeliner. No, I'm sorry, it's actually Urban Decay 24/7, my favorite eyeliner on the face of the planet Earth. So I am very excited to get this, and this is freaking heavy. This is like really full, but I don't want to crack the seal or open it until I'm ready to start using it constantly because it'll start to dry out. And there's nothing more tragic than a dried out gel eyeliner. You go to use it and it's like, not working. Okay, another thing we got, and I'm really excited about this, it got squished a little bit in there, is we did get Aesthetica brushes, and apparently they're worth like $1 billion. But anyway, this set, I will use the eyeliner brush here. Although I have a couple, I might just leave these together and put them as part of the giveaway. I have to assess what my brush situation is, but I think these go for like $45. I don't know why. Maybe they're really great. One brush that I'm going to keep, and I didn't really anticipate even getting it, is this brush. So I'm going to take it out of the packaging. This is also by Aesthetica. Those others I'm going to leave in the packaging because they're going to probably become part of the giveaway. This brush is just too freaking beautiful. This is Aesthetica brush number P12. It's huge, but it's great for like dusting away stuff, and you know, I'm going to really enjoy this. I don't have a brush like this. See, there's a little bit of an angle there. I don't have a brush like this in my collection, and so yeah, that's one of the reasons that I am keeping this brush. It's really awesome. So, lest you think you're done, even though laid out here I have 5 products, there's a 6th item, and it's underneath this. So those of you who have not opened up your Boxycharm boxes, don't toss the box out until you look underneath the plastic. I heard of somebody doing that, and I was like, oh, that's like so tragic. Anyway, it is a plain box that has a pure, I know it's a, what do you call it, contouring kit, and the only reason I really know that is and there's the not leaping bunny, there's the PETA bunny. Oh, it's got tape on every side. So I'm gonna have to take all the tape off before I can show it to you. Let's see if I can just snip and and get this open for you guys. Actually, these are great scissors for taking a seam out of something. When you sew, you need a seam ripper pretty much at handy all the time. Okay, so this comes with a mirror, which is really nice, and I hold it upside down so that you can see it and not me. It comes with 2, they look like highlighter shades, and 2 bronzers. This one I think I can use. My skin tone is probably okay for this one. I don't think I'll ever use that except if I use it as an eyeshadow. As a matter of fact, I don't want to touch it because just in case, because I already have a contour set, I might, oh, it's got a magnet closure. I love magnetic closures on things. Yeah, it's like, the little kid in me just loves that. So I'm going to package it right back up again and probably give it away because I'm not sure that I need it, but it was really nice to get. So this box, I'm going to show you first what it looks like because it is astonishingly nice, and then I'm going to go over the card. I hope I can hold this so it doesn't all topple everywhere. So this is a really great box. I don't know that you can actually see everything in there, but one of my favorite things is that big brush and the eyeliner. I'm really looking forward to the gel eyeliner. So, I am very happy with this box, but and I love the Cover FX primer. I don't think I'm gonna miss it though. Like, I'll be doing a declutter soon, and I already know there are certain things I'm gonna get rid of. So I don't think I'm going to miss it, honestly. So anyway, now on to the card. Let's see what everything costs. I'm sure it's quite a pretty penny, because apparently this was a pretty high level box. Sorry, I'm like kind of stumbling all over myself trying to read and talk at the same time. Doesn't always go great. I think this is going to go in the giveaway. This is the Pure Sculptor palette. It goes for $30. 4-shade sculpting palette features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave your skin sculpted to its perfection with highly pigmented buttery formulas. I'm sure this is great stuff because Pure is a really great brand. Also, you can get 15% off Pure on their website using Boxymay, Boxymay. Not bad, not bad at all. It's really nice, but I think it might be time for it to go bye-bye. Okay, the ink gel eyeliner. This is so heavy. This is, let me make sure I'm facing the label toward you. This is from the brand Pretty Vulgar. This is like the second or third item we've gotten from Pretty Vulgar, I think. And it's ink gel eyeliner. Highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy, water-resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. Not bad. And this little pot, a very hefty, heavy pot, goes for $24. So there's a ton of gel eyeliner in there. This I'm not giving away because I love gel eyeliners. Okay, Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio. Now this might be in the giveaway. I have to look at my brushes. I'm pretty sure I already have an eyeliner brush. Yes, I do. Yeah, I have this one, so it's kind of like needs a little cleanup, but this one from Real Technique. So I don't think I'm going to need the eyeliner brush. I already have a spoolie and I already have an angle brush like yeah. And I already have this angle brush that works pretty well. So I don't really need these brushes, but it's a very expensive set of brushes, and you guys, whoever wins the giveaway is going to be the lucky recipient of these. And these are Aesthetica is the brand, 3-piece eye trio, Aesthetica Trio series. Comes with an angled eyeliner brush, brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. Convenient 3-in-1, used for a wide variety of looks from a subtle wing to a dramatic cat eye. So this set of 3 brushes that I didn't need, they go for $45. So yeah, this is going to be pretty good going into the giveaway. I feel that my subscribers deserve it. Okay, now the next thing is Aesthetica P12 face brush. I like this because it's got this little angle thing and it's like a really big oversized brush. I have nothing like this. So yeah, this is a really nice brush and it's fairly expensive. Well, not really, I guess not. With synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control, the P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. So they basically don't tell you how to use it, they just tell you use it as a face brush. Okay, there are 2 more things here, and did I miss something? Yeah, I did. Cover FX Blurring Primer. I pretty much love everything from Cover FX. Cover FX Blurring Primer, a lightweight soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. So this is nice. This is really nice, and this is full size, which is 1 ounce. Price is $38, so this is really good. And finally, the last thing, and I might try my daughter's first. This is from Beauty Creations Liquid Lip Gloss, it says, but it says matte on the outside, matte lip gloss. I know from looking at it when my daughter put hers on that it's got pretty heavy coverage. Beauty Creations Matte Lip Gloss is specially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, matte finish. Its lightweight application is long wearing for an effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. I'm very happy with everything, but I don't need everything. Now, if you don't have a lot of makeup and you're just starting out and you're just trying to build a nice makeup collection, this is the perfect box for you. If you already have a lot of makeup, this may not be. Like for me, this is not good because even though this is a great box and I like everything in it, this is not a great subscription for me because I am trying to pare down a little bit. I have too much. And what happens when you have too much makeup is it all starts to go bad and you go to use it and it smells funky or it's changed consistency. So if you have a lot of makeup, this may not be the best thing for you. But if you're just starting out or you have a small makeup collection, this might be the perfect box for you. So anyway, I do love this stuff and I'm going to rewrap this so that I can put it in the giveaway bin along with the set of brushes. So I have been collecting stuff for you guys, I promise. So anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That actually does help me. Yeah, you can see my Game of Thrones shirt, I think. That actually does help me. So is it ever coming back? Seriously. I thought it was supposed to come back maybe this summer, but they haven't said anything about it. But anyway, if you like this video, minus all the rambling, please give it a thumbs up. That does actually help me quite a bit. If you're not already a subscriber, please join the Reviewer's Diary family. I love my subscribers and my viewers, whether you're subscribed or not. And thank you very much for watching and have a beautiful evening. Good night.